model, 64-plate Fiat Doblo cargo 1.3 Multijet spares OR repairs very low mileage body, multicolor, panel van mileage, 53,746 MOT, the 7th of December 2023 engine, 1,248 cc 263A20000A transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner engine has seized gearbox and clutch seem to be good condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Extremely low mileage for a van of this age. Bargain features, 1 former keeper, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £4,875. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401